Looking to make some extra cash and accelerate your financial goals? Online surveys offer a convenient solution. Explore the top legitimate survey sites, including branded surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site presents different availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so be sure to choose the one that suits you best. When deciding on survey platforms, consider factors such as reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles thoroughly, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices such as setting up a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software to protect your data. Be cautious of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate, and they typically take only 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points as incentives. Companies value your input and pay for your opinions to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by taking online surveys.